Namaste everyone. In this awesome video, you will learn how to push your incredible SSD into its limits and best use it with your Android and iPhone devices. I have here Samsung T7 demonstrated with Samsung S and iPhone Pro Max devices. So let's dive into it. I connected the T7 to my iPhone 16 Pro Max running iOS 18.4 and it was recognized instantly in the Files app without reformatting, as it comes reformatted in XFAT format. A file system compatible with both iOS and Android. You don't need to reformat it at all. As you can see now, I cannot record ProRes 4K 120fps on internal storage. As soon as I connect the SSD, now it shows possible 35 minutes of video recording. You cannot record normal videos to SSD with the default camera app. See my next sections to learn more on how to record non-ProRes videos to SSD directly. To transfer existing media from iPhone, you can open the Photos app, select the media you want to transfer, click on Save to Files and select the SSD T7 and your desiring folder. To download the media from SSD to iPhone, go to My File, select T7 and the media, click on Save Items and they will show in your Photos app directly. To unplug, you don't need to unmount on iPhone. Close all the windows using the SD card like Files or editing softwares and disconnect the cable directly. On the Android side, the T7 is a breeze to use. I tested it with Samsung Galaxy S24 running Android 15 and it was plug and play. The XFAT format ensures instant recognition and you can transfer files using Samsung's My Files app. The Magician app is a cherry on cake. Like iPhones, unfortunately the Android gallery does not give an option to transfer media to Files app or SSD directly, as the Android media is already linked to folders. Hence, if you want to transfer the files, then you have to do it from My Files app, which is a bit inconvenient option. However, there is a workaround. In the Android Gallery app, select the photos and videos you want to move to SSD and create a new album and move them all to new album. Go to My Files app, go to DCIM and you will see that album folder here. You can just select and copy the whole folder to SSD card. Well, thank me later. To download the files from SSD to your iPhone, all you need to do is copy the whole folder and it will show in your gallery as an album, or select individual files and navigate to internal storage and save in some folder. It will directly show in your gallery as an album. In Android, you can use Samsung Magician app and set a password for the SSD. You can also check the available space and temperature of the SSD. Once you are done, don't forget to unmount the SSD from notification panel before disconnecting. One major disadvantage is Android or even Samsung phones do not support recording videos to SSD card from the camera app by default, not even for ProRes or log videos. There is a workaround for that. I will cover it in next section. So far we covered all the features for basic users who want to use the SSD card out of the box without any additional hassle. Now if you are an advanced user and want to push the limits, then this section is for you. The most searched question about these SSD cards is, can we record non-ProRes normal videos to SSD card on iPhones? And can we record any videos from Android phones directly to SSD card? The answer is no, by default or out of the box. However, for iPhone to record even non-ProRes videos like usual 4K or Full HD videos to SSD card, you need to download a third-party camera app. One very popular app I use is Blackmagic Cam. This is available for free in App Store. Download the app, go to Settings and scroll all the way down to Media and select Save Clips to. Navigate to your desired folder in Files app and select. Now all the video formats that you record will be saved into the SSD card directly by default. There is a catch here. Once you disconnect the SSD and reconnect, the setting will be reset back to in-app. So you need to change it every time before starting the recording. And yes, as you rightly noticed, you can program this Blackmagic app to your camera control. So by pressing it, you can directly launch it. Samsung phones, you can record any videos to SSD card. For that, you need to download an additional app from Samsung store. If you're a tech enthusiast, you will know Good Lock Labs from Samsung devices. Yes, the Good Locks, our good old savior. In the Samsung store, search for Camera Assist and install the app. Once you open the app, it gives you many customization options. Scroll down and enable Save Videos to external storage. Bingo. Now you're all set. No matter how many times you reconnect your SSD, this setting will be retained. So as you can see, by default, the videos will be recorded to USB drive. Now you can record and go back to my previous section on file transfer methods and play around as you like. If you want even more flexibility, then you can download Blackmagic Camera app even for Android and follow the same method mentioned for iPhones. To conclude, if you are a basic user of iPhone 16 Pro Max or Samsung high-end phones, you may not get the most out of it. You can use your computer or cloud storage to back up your media. You really don't need this SSD. However, if you want to explore the ProRes videos and you're a YouTuber or a reviewer and need more space, this is for you. What do you think? Are you grabbing a T7 or is there any other SSD card you love? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.